Dear students, again take another example of word problem from linear equation. 2 years ago, a man was 5 times as old as his son. The 2 years later, his age will be 8 more than 3 times the age of his son. Find their present ages. Here again, there are two persons, father and son. Let present in case of questions related to age of two persons, we always assume age of two persons present age. Let present ages of father and his son be x years and y years respectively. Respectively means father's age is x, son's age is y. Then according to question, 2 years ago means पहले. 2 years ago, 2 years ago, both persons will be of x minus 2 and y minus 2 years. 2 years ago, x and y are present ages, therefore ages before 2 years will be x minus 2 and y minus 2. 2 years ago, a man was 5 times as old as his son. 2 years ago, man was 5 times as old as his son. This is your first condition. And 2 years later, after 2 years, ages will be x plus 2 and y plus 2. 2 years later, his age, that is father's age, will be, future tense, will be 8 more. More means plus. 8 more than 3 times age of his son. 2 years later, his age will be 8 more than 3 times age of his son. This is your second condition. Now, 1 implies x minus 2 is equal to half y minus 10. This implies x is equal to half y minus 8. Equation 3. X minus 2 is equal to 5y minus 10. Send this to right side. It gives x is equal to 5y minus 8. Putting value of x equal to 5y minus 8 in second equation. We find value of x from 1, so therefore we will put this value in second equation, substitution method. You can also solve it by either elimination method or by cross multiplication method after making these two equations in standard form. But that will consume your time, and you have given only 3 hours time. After that, your copy will be taken. Putting value of x is equal to 5y minus 8 into, we get 5y minus 8 plus 2 x plus 2 is equal to multiply 3y plus 6 plus 8. This implies 5y minus 6 is equal to 3y plus 14. This implies, send this 3y to left side, 5y minus 3y, that is 2y, is equal to 14 plus 6, 20, implied y is equal to 10 years. Again, third implies x is equal to 5 into 10 minus 8 is equal to 50 minus 8 is equal to 42 years. Answer: present age of father is 42 years and present age of his son is 10 years. Thank you.